Hey, this will be a video chart on KMAG. Did this one yesterday, and I made a comment that if it would, close up above some of these next levels of resistance, I'd be back to update it. But I'd be lying if I said that I expected it to be the next day. So a very nice day, and I'd mentioned if the price could get above this 200-day simple moving average, then it may not be too long before these highs over here are being tested. But like I said, if you'd have told me would that happen the next day, I highly doubt I would have said that. But I'm sure nobody's complaining, so congratulations to everybody. A nice follow through after this yesterday's here move, and the bulls just kept on running. Actually opened at the low of the day, and then that was as low as it went. So when you have stocks that open up and then the lowest that it goes is at the open, that's always a nice sign of strength. So I just want to get a few things updated here and kind of point out where some future battlegrounds will be. So the first thing to update is if you watched the video from yesterday, you know that I talked about this orange line being the level of resistance, but now Technical Analysis 101, this resistance has been broken, so the 200-day simple moving average is now a support level, and that support level is based at 0.0053. And this will be a level that hopefully the price can stay above and doesn't struggle if it does go down and test it. But at the end of the day, like I talked about, the purple line here is really what you want to see it hold, along with the trend line that has been established. But given the price close way up here, I'm not even going to worry about drawing that trend line at this point because the price has closed so far up here. At the newest level of support, though, comes in the form of these previous highs over here, this high being 0072. So this level, like I said, was a resistance, but is now a support, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning ideally, if you wanted the chart to look its absolute strongest, then this would be the level that you'd want to see hold. But if it doesn't hold that, you still do have plenty of supports below it, like I talked about the 200-day and 50-day, but hopefully the 0.0072 can hold, because that would make the chart look the most attractive and strongest. Now for the fun stuff, the levels of resistance. The next battleground area that you should keep an eye on is going to be right up here at this level, which is at 0.009. Change this to red real quick for resistance, and then I'll point out where that comes from. But if we look back here through the history of the chart, you can see it was a previous high right here. So 0.009 will be the next level. And actually, just out of curiosity, where did it bounce off of today? Because I see two highs right there, and so actually what I was looking at is right here we had a high and then another high right there, and this level was at 0.0082, and today's high was at 0.0083. So actually I'll make this level resistance too, because like I said, you had a high there and a high there, both of these being resistances or previous highs, which make them resistance. So I'll put that as a red line too. So really you have a level of resistance right here at 0.0082, we'll call it, and then up here at 0.009, and then after that things could really start to get moving fast once again. But one step at a time. We'll see how tomorrow goes, and if the price can close up above these resistances once again, I'm sure I'll be back with another update. But overall, chart's looking great. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together in our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this was KMAG. Thanks for listening.